notice the distance from her eyelid margin to her cheek junction. It's longer here, and we shorten that distance here because we filled in this whole area. And when you see her from the front, you're not going to see the dark circles and the darkening in the lower eyelid area. You're going to see more youthful kind of an appearance in a natural way without an operated hollowed look that you get with 99% of the other surgeons who do the lower eyelid blepharoplasty and other procedures where they cut away tissue. And this is another example of a man. Notice in this area where he has hollowing in his lower eyelid, which he didn't like and which he felt made him look sick and tired. We were able to volumize this area with natural substances in his body to essentially efface that dark circle and hollowing. We were able to give him more youthful volume, and he was totally happy with his results. And I'm going to show you from a side view how that improved him as well. Notice how he has hollowing here, dark circles, a ring, and also this protrusion of fat area. And we're able to camouflage that in a natural way to bring back his youthful volume through the young lift by volumizing his whole lower eyelid and cheek area to give him a natural looking result without that operated look. And again, this is another example where you can't see the incision and entry and use natural substances in the body. Now this lady had complaints of very thin lips, and we are able to bring more volume to her lower lips without a Hollywood type of appearance where their upper lips are much larger than her lower lips. And we were able to do this with fat. She didn't have any other volumizing but just her lip area. And essentially when you do the lip area through the young lift, you go through little small puncture entry sites on the corners of her mouth, and essentially you don't see any evidence of that type of incision or some evidence of that she had surgery before. Really, she has a natural result, natural, youthful volume in her lower lips without having that appearance that she had something done, or duck bill type appearance, or appearance of a duck that a lot of people are afraid of out there. This is another example of a man who had complaints of dark circles or dark hollowing in his lower eyelids and extra skin. Now many surgeons would have taken away the extra skin and some of that fat, but he would have looked like he had a procedure before, and he would have looked hollowed. And this is an example of what you can do with the young lift through volumizing. Essentially he had volume all throughout his lower eyelid and cheek area, and he's able to have that more youthful kind of boyish appearance that he used to have, more looking like the grape that he used to look like, not that smaller operated look like that operated shrunken raisin. Here's another example from the side view where you can see that extra skin and that hollow in his lower eyelids, and you can see that we volumized this whole area to give him youthful cheeks and essentially more natural looking young results. And again, benefits of the young lift include that you don't need long incisions, you don't need bandages, drains, and the recovery's less. You have less pain after the procedure, and most importantly, you look younger and natural without that operated look. And essentially, it's a great improvement with our traditional approaches, and I know it's going to revolutionize the way we do plastic surgery in the face. Thank you.